Ever wondered how your mood change according to the way of your thinking or the events or the incidents you are facing? That means some days you wake up with highly energetic mood, you are very happy, you are very optimistic and with high energy. But there are some days you feel very dull, you feel very down feeling, and it's like melancholy and very upset moods. So how this is happening? This is actually depend on your brain chemistry. That means your brain chemicals are responsible for shifting of these your modes. Today I am going to explain you how these brain chemicals affect your mood. So, welcome to Heal Your Life Care. I am Gayani Disanayake, counselor and hypnotherapist. First, I will explain the brief facts about your brain. It is the most wonderful and the complex organ in our body. It is the main regulatory or the control panel in our body, like CPU in the computer. It controls all your emotions, your love, your anger, your thirst, and your all the feelings, movements, heart rate, your respiration, everything controlled by this wonderful organ. Its average weight is approximately 1.4 kilogram and it made out of billions of neuron cells. These neuron cells are very specific. Your brain having different areas assigned for different works. It is that means for your vision one part, for your hearing another part, for your gut movement another part, or your arms or the legs movement another part, your anger expression in controlled by other part, your memory in other part, like that. Your brain has different areas specifically for the different function, as well as the neuron in this area is specifically designed for this function. They have adapted for this function. This neuron, the basically three parts are there. We call that the cell body, and there you can see there are hair-like things coming out, projections coming out from the cell body. We call that dendrites, and the long axon and the axon terminal. Axon terminal, there is a bulb-like structure. So the adult brain, they are having the very big network or the mesh-like thing made by this neuron, because they are with the all the experience they are taken from the information taken from the environment, they store in this network and they are connected with each other. So like we are communicating with each other verbally, how these neurons are communicating with each other, they are having the specific method of communicating. So you can see there's a one neuron is there, end of axon terminal, there are bulb-like thing, and the next nerve is there. I said there are dendrites, they are hair-like projections coming out from the cell body. This end and the axon terminals are connecting together. So you can see there are small space, we call that synaptic space. The first nerve releasing particular chemical into the synaptic space and giving message to the second neuron. That is simple way. This is a complex process, but this is the simplest way I can explain to you. So these chemicals, we call that neurotransmitters. These are very important in maintaining your mood. That means whether you are in a happy mood, whether you are in an unhappy or upset mood, this depends on these neurotransmitters. That is why it is very important to learn about these neurotransmitters. In our body, there are mainly the 4 hormone or the neurotransmitters. We call that happy hormone. The simplest form we call that these hormones are DOS. That means dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and brain. These are the happy hormone or the neurotransmitters in our body. In my next video, I will explain you how these hormone or the neurotransmitter affect your mood, whether it is a happy or sad, and how we can increase the level of neurotransmitter in order to have a happy and peaceful life. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.